Hello students, welcome to Toppscholars. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is making of a magnet and uses of magnets. So students, let's start with your first topic, that is making of a magnet. So basically, what do you understand by the word making of a magnet? So when you'll consider a magnet is nothing but a material which is found in nature. Okay. So this is nothing but an image of a raw magnet. But do you know that magnet is also known as lodestone? Okay, a naturally magnetized piece of magnetite, that is also called as lodestone. And what does a magnet has the property? So the property of a magnet is nothing but to attract magnetic materials, for example, iron. But students, do you know one thing? Nowadays, there are man-made magnets. Man-made magnets means the magnet which are created artificially. Now, which materials are used? The materials which are used to create a magnet or an artificial magnet are basically called as ferromagnetic materials. So, what does exactly ferromagnetic material means? The materials which can be used to create artificial magnets. Okay. So, basically, the ferromagnetic materials are the material example iron, cobalt, nickel and some alloys which are rare on earth. Okay, so these are the materials which are basically used as ferromagnetic materials.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.